Join us as we take on the challenge of boosting our Amazon KDP book rankings with every new release. Can we really make a difference? Amazon KDP is a powerful platform that has democratized the publishing industry, allowing authors to self-publish their work and reach a global audience. As authors, getting our books noticed on Amazon can be a game changer, but with millions of titles to compete with, it's not an easy feat. As authors, we know how hard it is to get our books noticed among the vast number of releases every day. We spend months writing, editing, and perfecting our manuscripts, only to see them get lost in the sea of new releases. It's a daunting task, and many authors struggle to get their books in front of potential readers. The competition is fierce, and it seems like no matter how hard we try, our books just don't seem to be getting the traction we need. We've tried everything: social media, email marketing, paid advertising, but still our books linger in obscurity. We start to wonder if it's even possible to get our books noticed, or if we're just wasting our time. We begin to doubt our writing abilities, our marketing strategy, and our ability to connect with readers. It's a frustrating and disheartening experience, but let's not give up hope just yet. Optimizing our keywords is crucial to getting our books seen by potential readers. By choosing the right keywords, we can increase our book's visibility and attract more readers. But it's not just about choosing keywords, it's about understanding our audience and what they're looking for. Leveraging social media is another key strategy to boost our book's rankings. By building a community of loyal readers, we can generate buzz around our new releases and encourage people to leave reviews and ratings. And when it comes to building an email list, it's all about providing value to our subscribers and building relationships with them. By building a solid email list, we can promote our new releases to a captive audience, generate advance reviews, and create a sense of anticipation around our books' launches. And let's not forget about the power of timing. Releasing our books at the right time can make all the difference in terms of visibility and rankings. Timing is everything when it comes to launching a new book. If we release our books during a peak period, we'll have a higher chance of getting noticed by Amazon's algorithms and gaining more visibility. But it's not just about the timing, it's about creating a marketing strategy that's tailored to our audience and our books. Marketing during a book launch is crucial to maximizing visibility and rankings. By creating a sense of urgency and excitement around our new releases, we can generate buzz and encourage people to buy our books. And when it comes to email marketing, it's all about creating a sense of anticipation and building relationships with our subscribers. By implementing these strategies, we can boost our books' rankings with every new release. It's not about manipulating the system or gaming the algorithms, it's about providing value to our readers and building a loyal community of fans. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.